amazing honour.
Yeah, thank you very much. It is an honor and good to be back here at the SCG. I was asked this a couple of months ago and it was in the pipeline and came here. And really happy, really honored, and thank you, Bradman Foundation, for organizing this for me.
You've got the whole family here. How
Yeah.
nice is it being able to share it with them?
Look, I live in Sydney, so it was a little easier for me to bring everyone. I was at Perth just a day before, came over last night, and brought the family here. They're all excited, they're all happy, they want to just be part of it.
Pakistan bowled beautifully yesterday. What did you make of their performance?
Well, a good start. I mean, it's a big series. It's a Test championship starting, so every Test match is going to be crucial and important. And to start a good series, have a good 3-day game, a warm-up game against a very good side, very fine side. We did a good job, and hopefully, if we can take that confidence and take all that form back into the Test match, will be very handy.
Do you think they can cause an upset? Can they beat the Australian team?
Look, I mean, it's been a while that we have won a Test match here in Sydney. Not only in Sydney, but in Australia. But it's a very young side. I mean, last time we came here, we really came very close of winning it. It's not an easy place to, play for someone who's come from subcontinent. But I feel that this time around, the team is in a better shape. That we have got one young bowling lineup. And hopefully, if we can put our form together, we can really cause an upset.
You champion young players. Who does Australia need to look out for?
Look, we have got a few young fast bowlers who bowls quickly, and they're decent pace, and they're here to learn also, and they can be handful at times. So. As I said, we are a good unit at the moment, and really looking forward for this series and produce some good results.
Who were the stars in your eyes yesterday?
Imran Khan was the guy who came back into the team after a while, after a couple of years. He was out of the side. Looks in a great touch, bowls really well. A medium pacer, bowls very good line and length, and picks up 5 wickets. Shine Afridi picked up 2 wickets. He's coming out of injury, so. We're getting there. The good thing is that we had 12, 13 days of break after T20 cricket, and now we're into red ball, pink ball cricket, and we're getting up nicely.
It'll be an exciting summer, won't it?
Hopefully. We didn't really have the best of the T20 series, so it's a different team, different captain. More experience when you talk about batting, and if we can put runs on the board, I think we can trouble.
Thank you.
Thank you.